This case of Hooker versus Haslam is a case involving the constitutionality of the retention election statute, which is a statute that's been passed by the legislature that provides for the governor to be able to appoint judges on the Court of Appeals and the Supreme Court of our state. When the Constitution requires, in words of one syllable, can't misread it, that the judges be elected by the qualified voters of the state. So that what is happening now is that people are being deprived of their right to self-government, and they're having the situation where these judges are appointed by the governor and supported by the various interest groups and deprive the people of their right to choose these judges. So that's the first business. I think I've got a good chance to win this time. I've been fooling with this for a long, long time. I'm right about it. The people know I'm right about it. The Constitution says what it says. Beyond that, I'm involved now in the question of who can be the judge in this case. And we've had 19 judges recuse themselves on the basis that they had a conflict of interest, or the basis that their impartiality might reasonably be questioned. That situation still exists with the 5 new members of the special Supreme Court appointed by Governor Haslam. So I'm filing a motion. I'm down here today to participate in the situation. I picked up an order that relates to the proposition that these judges have declined to recuse themselves, and I'm going to file a motion challenging them on the basis that these special judges are not impartial in the matter because they have expressed opinions in the past, or they have had relationships in the past that indicate that they can't be a fair and impartial in the matter. That they're members of the Bar Association, who's a major advocate of the retention election statute, and that as a member of the Bar Association, that they cannot be fair, since that's the position of the Bar Association, in a situation in which the question is before them. Many of these judges who are on the special Supreme Court have lawyers, some of whom have cases that are pending before the Court of Appeals of the Supreme Court. So I want to ask them about that and ask them to recuse themselves in the event that they answer my questions that goes to the question of whether they can be fair and impartial. That's what it's all about.